this is what it looks like after it's air dried for a few hours. And it's not hard or anything. It's not crunchy. And if you crunch it up, it's not gonna like leave any residue or anything. It's just, look at those defined curls. And I haven't even like fluffed up my roots or anything, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. Check out that definition. Isn't it so pretty? My hair was always so frustrating. I grew up with curly hair, and you have to do stuff to it every single day. And with this, I could wake up in the morning and it still look okay. I don't have to redo it again. But after doing it 3 times, then I wash my hair. And you know what? Actually, ever since I started using flaxseed gel, my hair has been growing like crazy. Like, look at all this baby hair I have here. Oh, that's new. Baby hair. I have a lot more hair now. It looks really shiny and like super glossy. And like I said, I used to use, I didn't say that before, but I used to use mousse, and I would buy them when I first started wearing mousse. It was like $1.25 when I used to buy mousse, the Tresemme, I think it was. And then now it's like $3 for a bottle of mousse that lasts me 3 weeks maybe. Flaxseed gel, you can buy it you can make it for like 20 cents. You just need a 1/4 cup of flaxseed and it's like 2 cups of water, because that's what fits my little container. You boil it until it starts looking like gel. Some people boil it until it has like a mucus film on the top. I don't like that because I noticed that it leaves residue after it crunches up, after it dries and after applying that. And the way I make it, it doesn't leave any residue whatsoever. Like, I can show you guys like a close-up, and there is no white stuff, no flakiness, no, like, my hair doesn't even smell like anything. It's amazing. I will never ever change, because this is inexpensive and it wastes no plastic containers or anything, so I don't have to keep buying a bottle of, you know, product for my hair. I know it's gonna work, and I know how to do it every time now to where it'll come out looking like this. But yeah, if you follow like everything I say, you just have to go by sections. Like maybe this big of section, maybe like this big, and then you have to saturate it in water all the way to the root, like saturate it, and then apply the gel, saturate it too, and then you scrunch it up, and then it's supposed to be so saturated in the gel that it's supposed to like squeeze out of your hand. So you have to do it like over a sink. But yeah, you just keep doing that, let it air dry, and this is what it'll look like. My hair's never looked this good. Never, okay? Never. It always looked frizzy and or really hard and crunchy, and in my opinion, I don't know about you, but like when I lay with my man, or I don't like to lay and then have my hair like make noise, or him like touch my hair and then like it'd be super hard and crunchy. He touches my hair and it's soft and silky. I mean, you can't run your fingers through it because then you'll mess up the curl, but you could like separate the curl. See? and they still stay together. I love this product. It's I'll never go back, and I'm like telling all my friends and family to do it. I know I have a lot of family members that have curly hair, and I tell them that this product is amazing and that they need to listen to me, but so far no one's really listened. I think they don't want to put the work in making the flaxseed, but they don't even know how easy it is to make. But anyways, I'm enough of my talking and your ear off. So yeah, I'll leave you with that. That's how I do my hair.